Good job. Okay, what'd you get there?
Oh, lots of packaging.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Is that a train?
Wow.
That's a nice wooden train, huh?
Very nice. It wooden
That's
car.
a car carrier.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at all your cars.
When you get a little older, we can paint them. Get the big piece. Where's the big one? Where's the big one? Yeah, this one. Here, see, look. We put this one in here. And you can put your cars on top, yeah. Yeah, you put some underneath there too. These ones go underneath. In there. Yeah.
Charlie, can you say thank you? Oh, thank you.
Say thank you, Charlie. Charlie, say thank you.
Thank
Look
you.
at the camera and say thank you. Look
Can
at
you
mommy.
say thank you again?
Look at mommy and say thank you.
Thank you.
Shay.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. You can put all your toys here. That's nice, huh? Yeah.
Wow, look at your truck. So cute, huh? Good truck. Ooh. Truck. You drive your small truck? Where's your small truck? Daddy has it. You drive on a big truck?
Yeah. Let's put some batteries in it, okay?
Why?
You want to make it go?